in school kasi marami na kami. No? We are 7 in the family, I am number 5 in the family, and she taught us this very important lesson, which to this date, 71 years old na ako pero hindi ko makalimutan. Ang sabi niya, boy kasi ang tawag sa akin sa bahay, many things are wrought in prayers that this world dreams of. I will say that again. Many things are wrought in prayers that this world dreams of. Beautiful saying. 71 years old na ako, pero hindi ko makalimutan yung sinabi ni nanay sa akin. Boy, sabi niya, if you are confronted with anything at all, big or small, mabigat man o magaan, you pray before you do anything, before you say anything, because many things are wrought in prayers that this world dreams of. And that's what I do. Even when I was in the uniform service, as you know, galing ako sa Philippine National Police po. When I graduated at PMA in 1976, many of you were not yet born. I joined the military, the armed forces of the Philippines. I was brought to Mindanao at the height of crisis when we almost lost that part of our country, that part of our republic. Do you know that during our time when we were young officers of the military, the day we almost lost Mindanao? Why? Because some of our brothers and sisters wanted to separate from the republic. But nanindigan ang taong bayan. Through our president, ang sinabi niya, walang hihiwalay sa Republika ng Pilipinas. Let us be together. Kung mayroon bang mga problema, susulbarin natin. Kung mayroon mang pagkakaiba, mag-unawahan tayo. Kung mayroon mang iba-ibang denomination, iba-ibang relihiyon, magmahalan tayo. Beautiful words of reminder from the past presidents. And even until now, because of this situation, mayroon tayong problema. But we remain as one Filipinos. Why? Because we love each other. We care for each other, regardless of religious denomination or any political affiliation. May I say that already at this point in time, that political affiliation. Because, as you know,